Across Europe, manufacturers face a serious challenge: complex processes that are difficult to automate. These labor-intensive operations lead to worker fatigue, higher costs, and greater environmental impact. COGNIMAN is changing the game. By combining artificial intelligence, digital simulations, advanced sensors, and robotics, all built around a human-centric design philosophy, COGNIMAN creates intelligent, adaptable manufacturing systems. And the impact is already measurable across 4 real industrial use cases. In glass fiber production, at 3B fiberglass, COGNIMAN supports smarter defect detection, resulting in 20% of reduced waste per year. In precision machining of large metal parts at Human-Centric, COGNIMAN simplifies robotic setup and programming in deburring, reducing programming time by 90% compared to conventional robotic systems. In post-processing of medical metal implants at Croom, COGNIMAN enhances process stability and quality, increasing process repeatability by 20%. In warehouse management for large metal parts at ABS, COGNIMAN improves digital visibility and coordination, increasing storage content visibility by 40%. Co-funded by the European Union, this 48-month project is a dynamic collaboration of 16 companies from 7 EU countries, indicating Europe's commitment to fostering innovation and self-reliance. Do you have challenges that could be solved with automation? We invite you to test our solutions in your own manufacturing setting. Join the COGNIMAN Solutions cluster and turn challenges into results.